Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is how do you master your emotions to work for you? Because emotions everyone has, we all have emotions, but the thing is that our emotions mostly work in against of us. So it's time to make our emotions to work in favor of us. So how do we do that? Because once you master your emotions, if your emotions come to your control, your thinking process would change, thus your behavior would change, your actions would change, and that would take you to the path you want to go, or want to travel in life, or the things you want to get success from. So most of the time it happens we are mostly preoccupied with thinking about others, what others are doing, what others lives are going on, how they're what they're doing, what things they're doing on, or what things they are mostly good at. So it's time to think about your own self. You have to think about that whatever you are thinking you are a capable being, and you are a human being too. So you should have the equal value as you think about others. So now it's time you should think for yourself. This is how you can do for your own self, by guiding your own self parenting yourself. So what is self parenting? I have a video, you can go in my channel list and check. So self parenting yourself, guiding yourself to become the person you want, to develop that personality you want in yourself. If you see someone's personality or career or lifestyle and you admire that, try to bring it in yourself. Because once you start doing that, once you start doing things or applying things that you want in life or you admire in life, instead of hanging around them or going behind them, if you try to bring that in yourself, if you try to be that person, the person who admires you most, or you admire the person most. So this is how you can change yourself. Once you are working on yourself, your personality, your emotions, controlling your emotions, thinking where you should be emotional or where should you feel anger. So everything in your anger, your happiness should be in your control. It should not be on others control. So you have to guide yourself to understand at what things you're sensitive, or what things you are more effective. You have to control, you have to get the control of your life on your own hand. So once you master your emotions, that this is your own life and you have to with your own life, and this is the life where you have control complete and you have the independence to live a life, as no one is going to come and ask you, or no one is going to you're not answerable to anyone. So this is your life. So if something good you want to create, you can create it in your life, and if you create something great in your life, you are going to enjoy that. That would be your your own property, your personal property. So you don't have to go around on others or go behind others to get attention, to make yourself feel special. So once you develop your qualities that you admire, or that you see people are admiring others, so once you start to develop in yourself, and you can do that by mastering your emotions, that how you are going to feel. You have to take charge of your life, that how you are going to feel, how you are going to make your emotions work. Now one thing comes that it's many times we feel that we are not enough good for ourselves, and other people have so much good life. So in that process we need to have that observation power to see and look through things. We have to understand, we have to learn to look through minute things, how people are dealing in life, and what things we are not capable of doing. So this is a very long process, but it's very interesting and enjoying. Once you start to do, once you start to nourish yourself, nurture yourself to your qualities, your personality, the gestures you, so you're developing your qualities or your skills, enhancing your skills. Once you start to change yourself, when the change is visible within yourself, you will find people are admiring you. You don't have to go behind others. You can create a brand of yourself in life, in personality, and thus you can create a brand of yourself in business or something you can do, people are going to admire you. So you have to have a control over your emotions, how you're feeling, how you are dealing with. Controlling emotions comes with understanding. When you start to understand a situation, you observe, you learn to know the situation, you get to know about the basics of the situation. So of course your emotions comes to your control, your mind emotions comes to your control when you make them understand of something with some logic, with some reason that I'm doing this for this or this is happening for this, then it becomes easy to master your emotions. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you. You have got a clear idea about how to master your emotions. How do you do self parenting? Well, self or self parenting, I have a separate video, you can go and check what is self parenting and how can you do that. So friends, this is this is up to this, and I hope this was helpful to you. So friends, do like and share and keep watching my videos and try to make your life easy one. Thank you friends.